Hey there, and welcome back to another episode on our channel. Today we're diving into gut health myths and busting 10 common habits that could be destroying your digestion. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated with our latest content. We've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but did you know that skipping it could be messing with your gut? When you skip breakfast, you're not just missing out on essential nutrients, it's true. After a good night's sleep, your digestive system is ready to get to work, but it needs fuel. Without breakfast, your body struggles to kickstart its metabolism. Skipping breakfast is like trying to start a car without turning the key. Instead of skipping breakfast, focus on having a balanced meal that includes fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This will help regulate your bowel movements, provide sustained energy throughout the day, and keep things running smoothly. So, next time you think about skipping breakfast, remember that your gut and overall health depend on it. Processed foods are everywhere, and they can be pretty tempting. However, when it comes to your gut health, those convenient snacks and meals are often the culprits behind a whole lot of digestive distress. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, make a conscious effort to fuel your body with whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Staying hydrated is important for our overall health, but did you know it plays a vital role in keeping our gut happy too? Drinking enough water throughout the day is like giving your digestive system a high five. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and even more if you're physically active or live in a warmer climate. Slow down and savor your meals. In our fast-paced world, it's all too easy to scarf down our food without a second thought. We often find ourselves eating on the go, at our desks, or even while multitasking. This habit can be detrimental to our health. Eating too quickly can wreak havoc on your gut, leading to bloating, gas, and that uncomfortable feeling of fullness. When we don't give our bodies the time to properly digest, we can experience a range of digestive issues. Slowing down and chewing your food thoroughly allows your digestive system to break down food properly, making it easier to absorb nutrients. This simple change can improve your overall health and well-being. So the next time you sit down for a meal, remember to slow down, take smaller bites, and savor each mouthful. Not only will you enjoy your food more, but your body will thank you for it. Make mealtime a moment of mindfulness and relaxation. The effects of alcohol on your gut. While the occasional drink might not cause major issues, excessive alcohol consumption can definitely spell trouble for your digestive system. Alcohol acts as an irritant to the lining of your stomach and intestines, leading to inflammation and potentially causing symptoms like heartburn and nausea. If you do choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and listen to your body. Why fiber is your gut's best friend? Fiber is like a superhero for your gut. It's a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. When you eat fiber-rich foods, it adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Ever noticed that your stomach acts up when you're stressed? That's because our gut and brain are closely connected. Stress can slow down digestion, leading to bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Regular physical activity isn't just good for your heart and waistline. It's also a game changer for your gut health. When you engage in physical activity, it stimulates the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Antibiotics are powerful medications that fight bacterial infections, but they can also impact the delicate balance of bacteria in our gut. While sometimes necessary, it's essential to be mindful of their potential effects on our digestive system. If you need to take antibiotics, talk to your doctor about ways to minimize the impact on your gut health. Our bodies have an incredible way of communicating with us, and our gut is no exception. Ignoring food intolerances is like silencing the alarm bells your gut is trying to send you. If you suspect you might have a food intolerance, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance. So, there you have it. 10 common habits that could be secretly sabotaging your gut health. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of maintaining a healthy gut and how small changes can make a big difference. Remember, taking care of your gut is an essential part of overall well-being. A balanced diet rich in fiber, regular exercise, and staying hydrated are key components. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can create a healthier and happier gut, leading to improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a more positive mood, and a stronger immune system. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and hope you found the information valuable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time. Take care and stay healthy.